Hey, good morning, everybody. Sorry I'm not in class today, but I did want to go through a couple of things with you during this school closing. We've got some expectations that I just want to make sure that everybody's clear on. Um, First of all, I don't think there's any reason to panic during this period, but we do have to use precautionary measures, which is why I'm not in class today. Those individuals who are over the age of 65 are vulnerable. I'm in that category, and therefore I opted to stay out of class today. That's not to say that I don't care about you or that you're not on my mind. Absolutely, you are in every sense of the way, and I want to make myself available for you. What's most important for everyone in the class is number one, your health and safety. Number two, we want to continue to provide you with an educational opportunity so that you can get your college credits. So that being said, I want to go through our expectations with you so that everybody's clear on what's needed. First of all, you should check your email daily for communications from me. Use your @wilcoacc.org email address. There will be posted assignments, and each day you'll be expected to complete those assignments to determine your attendance in class. Um, Keep in mind that policies and procedures, protocols, right now everything is pretty fluid. It changes kind of daily. So things are always going to be subject to change. But as we speak right now, the expectation is that you will sign on and that you will um, conduct some level of assignment. It's estimated that we're going to give you about an hour's worth of work a day. And by you turning in assignments, we'll be able to give you some attendance credit for that day. Um, it will also be very important that you complete all assignments on time. There'll be due dates posted. If you cannot meet a due date for some reason, please make sure that you reach out to me. Standard policy, as you know, is any assignment that's late is subject to a reduction in grade by 10% or one letter grade. Any assignment that's turned in late beyond 7 days or a school week, 5 days, will not be accepted. So, um, again, if you have any problems with that, make sure you let me know. If you have connectivity problems or can't access a device and you need printed material, let me know that. You'll have to arrange to pick it up from Wilco. There will be somebody at Wilco during normal business hours from 8 to 3 daily. Those hours probably will fluctuate a little bit. It might be more like 7 to 4 or 7 to 5, but check the Wilco website for any updated school hours that somebody's there. Any questions that you have on any of the materials or any of the assignments that you have, make sure you reach out to me. Again, you can reach out to me. The best way is through email. I'm also going to give you a link to a Remind. Um, I look in here and I'm seeing a typo as we speak. Uh, so I apologize. Um, There will be a link to a Remind. I encourage everybody to join the Remind. You can use the Remind to send me some messages. That gives me notification on my phone. I can't tell you that I'll always be available to answer your Remind immediately, but I will get back to you as soon as possible. Generally, I will be available between the hours of 8 and noon and from 1 to and from probably 12:30 till 2 o'clock. Um, Again, that's a little bit subject to change, but 8 to noon or 12:30 to 2 p.m., you'll be able to reach me. Again, I encourage you to check Wilco's website regularly for information on school closings or hours of operation. That's at the wilco.k12.il.us website. Okay. Remind, if you're in first session, you can send a text to 81010 and text this message at Wilco CJ, and you'll be automatically entered into the remind. If you're in second session, you'll text at Wilco CJ2, and if you're in third session, I don't think the third session is going to get this video, so it doesn't matter. Also, my official email correspondence is going to be dmalec@wilcoacc.org. Anything official should go through email. If you use Remind to ask me questions back and forth, that's fine. But anything that's official that needs documentation should be done through Wilco's email. That being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We're going to be experimenting with new things, new learning opportunities, perhaps some video conferencing, but just don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thanks, and have a great day.